The Sustainable International Management and Strategy pathway provides you with a wide launchpad for a career in global business. Through this pathway, you will build on several modules in the programme to advance your knowledge of responsible international business management and strategy in a more focused way through studying modules in international business and sustainable growth strategies, international market entry strategies, international human resource management, and international marketing and practice. You will learn about the strategies and practices required to best address the most critical challenges faced by organisations within an international context, such as the changing nature of work, managing people across countries, cultures and time zones, product and supply chain sustainability, innovative business models and the promise and perils of operating in new and emerging markets. You will learn how to lead the business transformation required to address sustainable development goals and organisational targets aligned with environmental, social and governance pillars. For too long, the tendency in international business has been on economic growth, but in line with the rest of the programme's ambitions, you will better appreciate the need for greater consideration and balance with environmental and societal matters. You will be taught by leading researchers in international business, market entry strategies, managing people in a global context, international marketing and non-market strategies, along with invited contributors from senior professionals in industry. As such, you can be assured of a research-led teaching approach combined with practical insights and experiences with field trips to the many global businesses operating in the region and project work on real business challenges, all part of the learning approach you can expect. Through our industry speakers and working on case studies and real business challenges, you will gain an appreciation of the complexity of leading global businesses in a responsible and sustainable way. These are designed to provide you key insights on how to best manage the tensions that inevitably exist between profit, people and planet when leading a global enterprise.